All right, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product which is the smartphone, Android smartphone I bought recently. That is Infinix Smart 8. All right, I bought it as a backup to my main phone. So if you need a product for backup, this can be of help. Okay, is a recent product from Infinix. We know that Infinix produce devices, mobile devices that run on Android mainly. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features here. This one is 64 gigabyte storage and 6 gig RAM. But the main RAM is 3 gig with extensible property of 3 gig RAM. Okay, so that's what adds up to the 6. It can run up to 6 gig RAM. Okay, then there are still other types of this Smart 8 with different RAMs and different storages. There's one of 64 gigabyte of storage and 4 gig RAM. There's another one of 64 gigabyte of storage and 8 gig RAM. Okay, but this is the one I got for myself. This is what I need. This is what my money can afford at the moment. So let's look at some other features. It runs at 90 hertz. What this does is that it helps scrolling on the phone to be faster. Pornhole scream with magic ring. What this means is that this punch hole helps very well in terms of notification and when you are charging the device. So it's a newly added feature in our Infinix products. Okay, so let's check out some other features here from the back. We have spoke about this 90 Hz punch hole screen with magic ring. The has a flashlight at the back. Then another thing it does is that another feature it has is that the charging port is type C. Type C. Then 13 MB dual camera with ring flashlight. That's what I said before. Then 200% volume. It's no longer when you are limited to just 100%. Now you can increase the volume to the length of 200. So it's a plus, and I like that. At least if we want the sound to be so loud, we can activate that no longer at 100. All right. If you want it low, bring it down. If you want it higher, take it up. So they know the reason why they added the feature because maybe some people have been requesting that and they decided to add it here. Then side fingerprint, face fast unlock. Yes, the unlock of the face security is now faster more than the other past Android devices. Okay, then I've talked about the 30 MB dual camera before. Dual camera, I think I've said that before. Yeah. Top reliability, 316, 360-degree lab quality tested. So they're telling you now that the product is of good quality that has been tested. Okay. Then processor, octa-core gaming processor, meaning that you can use it to play some games. But I had a review that there are some games that don't run very well there. But if it's just games that are not that heavy, you can play them effectively on this device. Okay. Display 6.6 inches, 90 hertz punch hole display. I've discussed that before. Resolution is 720 by 16112. That is the resolution. 720 by 1612. Then another property here is battery capacity at 5000 mAh. 5000 mAh. Okay. Then operating system is Android. This is Android 13. Yeah. Network. It can run on 4G, it can run on 3G, and it can run on 2G. So no matter the capacity of your network, these are the three it can run. It cannot run 5G, please. It starts at 4G at this point, okay? And 4G can serve you very effectively, all right? Then sensor, a G sensor, a compass, alt sensor, proximity sensor, fingerprint, and a gyroscope. Okay, well, this is the sensor property. Okay, so memory, I've talked about that. Front camera 8 MB, that is the front camera. Then the rear camera is 30 MB plus AI cam. Yes, 30 MB plus AI cam. So take note of that. So if it meets your requirements in terms of the camera capacity, then go for it. If it doesn't meet the camera capacity you want, let it be. Go for higher products. Okay, there's so many other Infinix products out there that can serve you better. All right. Then we talk about dimension is 163.60 by 75.60 by 85 8.5 by 8.5 millimeters. That's mm. Connectivity, it can connect GPS, Wi-Fi, and BT. What it means is that GPS can connect to this device. Then wireless fidelity can connect to this device and Bluetooth as well. So Bluetooth can connect. So these are the three major ways you can connect your smartphones to others or other devices. So it has those features. It's cool. All right. All right. So in terms of card slots, it has dual nano SIM. It accepts dual nano SIM plus micro SD. All right, dual nano SIM plus micro SD. So these are the major features of this product. Now let's unbox it and see what is inside. Okay, so I've removed the nylon material. So let's now see what is inside. Okay, so we're getting close. Wow. Okay, so you can see the cable. You can see the charger itself here. So then this is the earphone. Yeah, earpiece. Okay, if I want to listen to music, I can use it. The way they packed the phone itself, I thought maybe there's nothing inside. So let me gradually bring it out. Wow. Whoo! This is beautiful. You can see. Wow. It comes with screen guard. Wow, they tried. They tried. It comes with screen guard. So this one is black. Look at the back. So you can see the camera. This one is the light. Okay. These are the two cameras. Then this is black color, but there are still other colors this comes in. Okay. There are those that are crystal green. We have white and shiny gold. Okay, so it comes I think in about three colors: black, crystal green, shiny gold, and galaxy white. Okay, so this is how this product looks like, and by this side, this is where it's slotting your sim. So from here you remove the sim. Okay, use the pin, push inside. So use the pin and push inside, the same slot comes out, then you're slotting your pin. All right, so here is the volume, this is power. So this is a good product, and if you want to get it, just go for it. So let me pour it on. It's coming up. Okay, it's now on. So go for it if you want it. Thank you. I believe this guide is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button for me, okay? Also subscribe to my channel. Here we discuss mainly tech videos, all right? So if you want to learn more on technology, subscribe, because many things in our world of today revolve around tech. So get as much as you can, all right? Very necessary. Also leave a comment if you have a question about this product. just leave a comment in the comment section, okay, and I will respond to it. Okay, if you want to know more on technology, consider watching this video. See you next time.